This video is dealing with conditional formatting. And what conditional formatting means is that you specify a rule that has to be met, and if the conditions are met, certain things will apply. Or it may be that you're using a conditional format as a data bar where you're showing the numbers and you have data bars that represent how big that number is. And that's what we're going to start with, is just looking at the data bars. So if we take a look at column I, this is our totals. If we click on cell I4 and we scroll down until we see I31 and we hold down our shift key and click, or you can click on I4 and drag your mouse all the way down to I31. You'll have the same results. You're going to click on Conditional Formatting, go to Data Bars, and choose one of the data bars. When you click off of your selection, you can see that as your number gets bigger, your data bar increases in that particular cell. If in column G we want to set up a rule that will highlight certain data, we're going to select G4 all the way down to G31 because that's our range that we want to take a look at for our conditional format. We click on Conditional Format and we go to Highlight Cell Rules. And we're going to tell it we want to create a rule that is meaning between. What that means is we're going to put in 1500 here, and our last number is going to be 2500. So if the number is between 1500 and 2500, then it's going to be a light red field with dark red text. And in order for that to show up with a light red field and dark red text, that cell has to meet this rule or this condition. So when you click OK and you click off of that, you can see that 2265 is between 1500 and 2500. So it met the condition. It has a red field with dark red text. 361.70, that's not between 1500 and 2500, so it didn't meet the condition, so there's no change to that cell. Now the nice thing is that once you set up that rule, if, let's say for instance, this newspaper ad that we sold, we ended up having 50 of those sold instead of 5. Well, that's a little too high. Let's go back and change it to 25. Now, with our quantity set at 25, our total just became 1808, which puts us within that condition, so it automatically will adjust that cell to meet that condition.